guys, Vishnu here from Ask Us How, and today I am going to talk about wireless charging. Wireless charging has many other applications, but today I am specifically going to talk about wireless charging in phones. By the way, make sure you stick till the end because I am going to talk about MagSafe and its history. Wireless charging has been around since the 19th century when Nikola Tesla demonstrated a magnetic resonant coupling. This is the ability to transmit electricity through the air by creating a magnetic field between two circuits, a transmitter and a receiver. But for 100 years or so, it was a technology without many practical applications rather than a few toothbrushes. In comparison today, there are nearly a dozen wireless charging technologies in use, from laptops and smartphones to kitchen appliances. Nowadays, the most popular wireless technology in use relies on an electromagnetic field between two copper coils. This is the type of charging that you see on many phones like the OnePlus 8, Pixel 5, iPhone and many more. I have put some links to the phones that support wireless charging down below the like button, so make sure you check that out. To start off, there are three main types of wireless charging. There are charging pads that use electromagnetic inductive or non-radiative charging. Then there are through surface chargers that use radiative electromagnetic resonant charging, which can relay the charge up to a few centimeters. And last but not the least, there is uncoupled radio frequency wireless charging, which allows a weak charging speed but at a distance of many feet. There are some standards for the wireless charging industry for gadgets such as smartphones. Most smartphones support both the Wireless Power Consortium's Qi and the Air Fuel Alliance standard, meaning that they will work on most available chargers. Qi is rapidly becoming one of the most popular wireless charging standards and is supported by many phone manufacturers. But before we learn how wireless charging actually works, why not keep your phone safe with Surfshark? Surfshark is a great VPN with awesome support and affordable plans. They have support for unlimited devices in a single plan and just rolled out a protocol named WireGuard, which actually keeps your phones more secure. So why not give it a try? Also, by using the links in the description below, you get discounts as huge as 80% and it also helps the channel out. So make sure you use the links down below. Now we answer the most important question, that is, how do they work? A copper coil is used to create an oscillating magnetic field which is used to create a current in one or more receiver antennas. If the copper loops on the receiver's and the transmitter's end resonate at the same frequency, the induced current, that is the generated current on the receiver's end, increases. This is resonant inductive charging or magnetic resonance. It enables power transmission between greater distances at the transmitter and receiver's end and also increases efficiency. Coil size also affects the distance of power transfer. The bigger the coil or the more coils there are, the greater distance a charge can travel. In the case of smartphones, the wireless charging pads only have copper coils a few centimeters in diameter, greatly limiting the distance over which power can travel efficiently. However, there are some downsides to wireless charging. Phones heat up slightly on the back where wireless charging is taking place. Usually, they start getting heated with a cable too, but if they get too hot, that can be a problem and you need to check it out with the phone manufacturer. The second problem is charging speed. Most wireless charging docks can only charge at speeds up to 10 watts. So if you want that lightning fast charging speed of 40 watts or even 65 watts, you won't be able to get it on a wireless charging medium. There are some wireless chargers though that support speeds of up to 15 watts. If you do want to check them out, I've linked them down in the description below. Lastly, we have MagSafe. This is Apple's own proprietary way of wireless charging. But as you might guess, this proprietary way of wireless charging wasn't introduced with an iPhone, but with the MacBook in 2006. The original version of MagSafe was a power connector used for charging the MacBook Air, the MacBook and the MacBook Pro. The connector magnetically attaches itself to the device instead of connecting with a port. Apple's idea with MagSafe was to prevent damage caused to the cable by someone tripping over it and pulling it out of the plug or the dock. In 2016, Apple discontinued this way of charging in its product lines and replaced it between 2016 and 2019 with the USB Type-C. The last product line with MagSafe, the Mac Air 2017, was discontinued in 2019. After discontinuing it for its laptops, Apple is again reintroducing MagSafe, but for watches and phones. The dock can provide charging speeds of up to 15 watts, which is faster than many other wireless chargers in the market and provides very efficient wireless charging. The MagSafe journey has been truly interesting for Apple users. Anyway, that's it for this one. Catch you guys in the next video.